Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a journal that I have finished. This has really been going on for over a year. I've just sort of made it, then put it aside, then got back into it again, and I decided in the last few weeks that I'd just get on and actually finish it. And I'm glad I have, because I'm really pleased with it, how it's turned out. I will link below the lady whose tutorial I followed, which was basically envelope journal, and it's Carol Tinson from the Crafty Emporium, and I will link her video below. It's a different kind of cover than I usually make. This is a card which I've then obviously gone and inked around. It's got an eyelet and a ribbon closure. It is all Jane Austen themed. It's got a Jane Austen from, I think this was Calico Collage, I can't remember which kit I had it from. I've used this particular picture before. And then going over on the back, just another one of the pages from the kit. So going in, it's a very simple closure, but quite pretty and elegant, I thought, for this style of journal. So going in, the first page is just one of the pages from the kit, with some crochet trim down the side. I'm just going to check I'm still in frame and move over a bit. Going over the page, another page from the kit, and the lovely thing about this journal, if you follow her tutorial, is that you get a good selection of patterned pages. She used a different kit, obviously I've made mine Jane Austen themed, but you have patterned ones and then you put in coffee dyed ones, so obviously there's loads of room for journaling, as well as all the pretty things to look at. But the beauty of these is the way that the journal is constructed. You can remove all of these coffee dyed pages when they're full, say, and then replace them, and then the journal can start all over again. And that's due to the way the envelopes are put together. I think it was 4 envelopes that you put together, and then each signature of the envelopes, I'll show you there, and say, where's the next one? In the middle of here, has elastic. So that's each signature has that, which is why you can remove these and rewrite. But going back to the beginning of here, pattern paper, just various different Jane Austen themed banners here, just for a bit of decoration. Then you've got your coffee dyed for obviously writing on. Going over the page with Sense and Sensibility book. It was a paperback book, it was nothing nice, I wouldn't have gutted a nice book. Some trim and a tag which you could write a title on there, and obviously plenty of room for journaling again. Another page from the kit, and obviously because these are made with envelopes, if you cut a tiny slit off the side of the envelope, it turns it into a pocket. So then here is a card just with a little tab, turn it over, and then obviously you can journal on there. And just pops out of there just for a bit of added detail, I think. Still checking I'm in frame. Over the page there's another page from the kit, some music paper. This is another little pocket, and that just has a little tag in it as well, which is obviously for journaling on. Going over the page, I love this page actually. This is a page from the kit, but then it flips out. Move that over so you can see. And that is really a whole journaling card that you can write in. And again, this is one of those envelopes, so you just pop it in there and then it just folds over there. A little cluster there of the Jane Austen themed ticket. Some more coffee dyed, obviously for writing on, and another little cluster there, and a pretty page from the kit. This one, again, I've popped a journaling card in here, which I just made my own little page tab, making a cluster really. That's from Emma, a different Jane Austen book. That sits in there. And then as you go to the back, there's just another page from the kit. These pages are so pretty. More coffee dyeing for writing on, which then takes you to the back of the journal, just a rose design there. And this is another page here, just with a quote from a Jane Austen book. And then you're back to your ribbon closure. So that's all I've got for you today, just a Jane Austen themed journal. It is sold, and I just thought I'd do a quick flip through for you. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.